Hello friends, welcome in RKG Biology tutorial. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about different types of nerve cells on the basis of function, on the basis of origin place, on the basis of structure, and on the basis of presence or absence of myelin sheath. We know nerve cell is the structural and functional unit of nervous system, and nerve cell considered as the impulse generating and impulse conducting unit, and nerve cells produce during the embryonal stage, and after that they do not divide and multiply, and our nervous tissue, our nerve cells are ectodermal in origin. Clear? See, nerve cells, that is known as the neuron or nerve cells on the basis of structure. So on the basis of structure, nerve cells are following type. First one is the non-polar neuron. Non-polar neuron like this means there is no differentiation between axon and dendrites. Axon और dendrites में differentiation नहीं होता. We cannot differentiate between the axon and dendrites. That is the nerve fiber. Such type of nerve cell known as the non-polar neuron or nerve cells. Example, if we consider, that is present in Coelenterata, that is Cnidaria. Example here, Hydra. Clear? Next, that is the unipolar nerve cell or neuron. Such type of nerve cells have single axon with the cyton like this, and there is no dendrites. Dendrites absent होता है, एक ही axon होगा. This one is the axon along with the cyton or cell body. So such type of nerve cell known as the unipolar. Example here, that is nerve cells of invertebrates. जो इनवर्टिब्रेट्स हैं एनिमल्स, इनमें यूनिपोलर टाइप का न्यूरॉन होता है. या एम्ब्रियो ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट्स, जो वर्टिब्रेट्स के एम्ब्रियो हैं वहां पे यूनिपोलर टाइप न्यूरॉन प्रेजेंट होता है. सी थर्ड, दैट इज बाइपोलर neuron. Bipolar neuron, see like this. This is the cell body or cyton, and this one is the axon, and this one is the dendrite. So one axon and one dendrite, that is the bipolar neuron. And here example, like retina of eyes, आइस के रेटिना में प्रेजेंट होता है बाइपोलर न्यूरॉन. इंटरनल ईयर्स में प्रेजेंट होता है. क्लियर? एंड नेजल इपिथेलियम, क्लियर? सो नेजल इपिथेलियम, इंटरनल ईयर and retina of eyes have the bipolar type of neuron, one axon and one dendrite along with the cyton or cell body. And next one is the multipolar neuron. And it is the most common type of neuron or nerve cell, and such type of nerve cells have single axon and many dendrites from the periphery of the cyton, like this. These are the many dendrites arise from the periphery of the cyton with the single axon. So such type of nerve cell known as the multipolar, most common type of nerve cells. And such type of nerve cells present in all vertebrates. Vertebrates में present होता है, that is the multipolar type neuron. Okay. See here. Next we see types of neuron or nerve cells on the basis of myelin sheath. On the basis of myelin sheath. We know myelin sheath secreted by Schwann cell, which is a type of glia cell, and this myelin sheath is made up of protein and lipid, and it provide insulation and protection to the nerve cell. Clear? So on the basis of myelin sheath, two type of nerve cells, that is myelinated or medulated nerve cell. Clear? Suppose this is the cyton or cell body and this one is the axon, and these are the dendrites, and this axon, this axolemma covered by the myelin sheath like this. Okay, so this is the myelin sheath, and if myelin sheath is present, then nerve cell known as the myelinated or medulated. Clear? That means myelin sheath present. Myelin sheath present. Okay, so that is the myelinated or medulated. And here example, in mammals में जो नर्व सेल्स है, न्यूरॉन्स है, ये माइलिनेटेड होते हैं. क्लियर? और यहाँ पे जो क्रैनियल नर्व है, क्रैनियल नर्व और स्पाइनल nerve cells. Cranial nerve cells arise from brain and spinal nerve cells arise from spinal cord. They are the myelinated. Clear? Say one thing here. What is the meaning of gray matter and white matter? Gray matter made up of cyton of nerve cell and non-myelinated nerve cell. Non-myelinated nerve cell और cyton क्या बनाएगा? ग्रे मैटर बनाता है. क्लियर? और जो माइलिनेटेड नर्व सेल्स होती हैं, myelinated nerve cells, they make the white matter. Clear? So white matter appear white in color due to the presence of myelin sheath. Myelin sheath actually white in color. So myelinated nerve cells make the white matter, and the cyton and non-myelinated nerve cells make the gray matter. Clear? Next type of nerve cell, that is non-myelinated or non-medulated nerve cell. Means here myelin sheath absent. माइलिन शीथ अब्सेंट। ओके, माइलिन शीथ अब्सेंट होता है नॉन मेडुलेटेड या नॉन माइलिनेटेड नर्व सेल्स में। क्लियर। और ये नर्व सेल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं फिशेस के केस में, मछलियों में, एम्फीबियंस लाइक द फ्रॉग्स में, रेप्टाइल्स जैसे कि स्नैक्स वगैरह है, लिजर्ड्स है, और एवीज मतलब बर्ड्स में। क्लियर। तो जो नॉन माइलिनेटेड नर्व सेल्स है वो फिश में, एम्फीबियंस में, रेप्टाइल्स में और बर्ड्स में प्रेजेंट होता है। क्लियर। और यहाँ पे जो ऑटोनॉमस नर्वस सिस्टम के नर्व सेल्स है वो भी कैसे होते हैं, नॉन माइलिनेटेड होते हैं। और सोमैटिक नर्वस सिस्टम के जो नर्व सेल्स है ये भी कैसे हैं, नॉन माइलिनेटेड है। क्लियर। सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ नॉन माइलिनेटेड नर्व सेल्स। Say one thing here, in myelinated nerve cells, the rate of conduction of nerve impulse is faster because here saltatory conduction takes place. Saltatory conduction occurs. Saltatory conduction means from one node of Ranvier, nerve impulse jump to another node of Ranvier, then another node of Ranvier, then another node of Ranvier. So here the speed of transmission of nerve impulse is faster compared to the non-myelinated. And in myelinated, impulse transmission rate is slow. Clear? Comparatively. Regular type. Clear? So that is about the myelinated and non-myelinated nerve cells. Next, nerve cells on the basis of function. On the basis of functions. See, three types of nerve cells. First one is the sensory nerve cell. Sensory nerve cells are those nerve cells which carry sensory impulses from sense organ to the central nervous system, like the brain and spinal cord. See, like this. This is the CNS, central nervous system, and this is the sensory organ. So such type of nerve cells carry the sensory impulses from sense organ to the central nervous system, like brain and spinal cord. So the arrangement of cyton and axon like this. So this is the cell body and these are the dendrites. Dendrites collect the sensory impulses from sense organ and transmit it to the brain and spinal cord, that is the central nervous system. तो इस तरह से जो है कि डायरेक्शन ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ नर्व इंपल्स होगा। क्लियर। एंड हियर एग्जांपल, सेंसरी नर्व्स एग्जांपल, cranial nerves we know 12 pair cranial nerves present in human में 12 pair cranial nerves होते हैं। इसमें जो cranial nerve नंबर 1, 2 and 8 है, फर्स्ट पेयर, सेकेंड पेयर एंड 8th पेयर जो cranial nerve है, they are sensory in nature. Clear? So first pair, second pair and 8th pair cranial nerves. They are sensory in nature. Next we see that is the motor nerve cells. Motor nerve cells carry the motor impulses from brain and spinal cord, that means from central nervous system to the effector organ like the muscle and glands. जो मोटर नर्व्स होती हैं ये मोटर इंपल्सेस को ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से इफेक्टर ऑर्गन तक ट्रांसमिट करती हैं, लेके जाती हैं, जैसे कि मसल्स एंड ग्लैंड्स, दे आर द इफेक्टर ऑर्गन्स. क्लियर. So like this, suppose this is the CNS, central nervous system, and this is the effector organ like the muscles and glands of the body, glands. So here what happened, the motor impulses from the central nervous system. So the arrangement of the nerve cells like this is the axon and this is the cyton, and these are the dendrites. So dendrites collect the motor impulses from the brain and spinal cord and carry it to the effector organs like the muscle and gland. So the pathway of transmission of nerve impulse like this. Clear? And example here, example like the cranial nerves, cranial nerve number 3, 4, 6, 11 and 12. These cranial nerves are motor in nature. They carry motor impulses from CNS, central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, to the effector organ, that is the muscle and glands. And the next type of nerve cells, that is the mixed type, mixed nerve cells. Mixed nerve cells are both sensory as well as motor in nature, both सेंसरी एंड मोटर इन नेचर. क्लियर? तो ये सेंसरी भी होती है और मोटर भी होती है. क्लियर? तो ये इस तरह से होती है कुछ. सपोज दिस इज द cyton and these are the dendrites and this one is the axon, and other chain like this. Okay, so this branch will carry this side will act as the sensory and this side act as the motor. Clear? So if here the CNS, central nervous system, and here is the sensory organ या effector organ. So one side of the branch act as the sensory and other side act as the motor. That means they are mixed in nature. And the cranial nerves, example here, cranial nerves like 5, 7, 9 and 10. These are the mixed type of cranial nerves. Clear? And all the spinal nerves, they are mixed in nature, and there are 31 pairs spinal nerves present in human, and they all are mixed in nature. And the cranial nerves number 5th, 7th, 9th and 10th, they are mixed in nature. Clear? So the arrangement of the nerve fibers differ in the mixed nerve cells. See here, multipolar neuron present in the cerebral cortex, region, clear, of the all vertebrates. Okay. See, this sensory nerve, also known as afferent nerve cell or neuron, and this motor nerve cell, also known as efferent nerve cell or neuron. Clear? Next, neuron or nerve cells on the basis of origin, place. on the basis of origin place, that is the cranial nerves. And cranial nerves in human are 12 pairs. 12 pairs cranial nerves. Clear? And these cranial nerves arise from brain से arise होती है cranial nerves, brain के different parts से, and they are 12 pairs, and they are sensory, motor and mixed. Clear? And they spread throughout the head region and also in the other parts of body. Next, that is spinal nerves. And spinal nerves are 31 pairs in human. 31 pairs in human. And all the spinal nerves are arise from spinal cord. Okay, and they are all mixed in nature. Clear? They are mixed in nature, and these are sensory, motor and mixed type cranial nerves. And the third one is the visceral nerve. Most of the visceral nerves arise from the mostly arise from brain, and some from spinal cord, and they are a special type of nerve cells. They connect the internal organ of the body to the brain and spinal cord, and they are also sensory and motor in nature. Clear? So these are the different type of nerve cells on the basis of structure, function, origin place and myelin sheath. In next lecture we will discuss about the glia cells. I request please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment the videos.